Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox in the kitchen with another video. Now in this video, I'm going to show you what I'm having for lunch, okay? And this is a wonderful meal idea that you can just whip up in your kitchen and take it to go. So let me show you what I'm cooking up today. Okay, you guys, so let me show you what I will be having today. I'm going to have me a wrap, okay? A nice little sandwich wrap. So simple, so easy, and you can whip it up. Now I like mine's a little toasted, so I'm gonna put mine's in my pan and warm it up for a little bit. But it's just like making a sandwich and using bread, but this is a much healthier way of eating your carbs. Okay, so I'm just gonna let my pan heat up and then we can get started. Now this is a pan that I purchased at a local supermarket, and it's one of those as seen on TV. It's the Copper Chef pan, so it's a non-stick pan, which is a wonderful addition for your kitchen. This way you use less oils in your foods. So I'm just warming this up, and then being that this is a non-stick pan, okay, I'm just gonna put my little flat wrap right on top and let that warm up. Okay, so now that I have my wrap inside my pan, and this is a non-stick pan, I'm just gonna put the top on it and let it steam a little bit. Okay, and now that it's on that side, I'm just gonna flip it over and do the same on that side. Okay, so basically it's just a little toasty on both sides, okay? And it will look something like that. Okay, now I'm just gonna add in some of my favorite ingredients. Now I'm going to add in some baby spinach. Okay, put that in the middle, and you can make this any way you choose. Now I'm going to add some pepperonis in there. I love pepperonis. I'm sorry, y'all. I know it's not a lean, healthy meat, but okay. Add in some pepperonis. You can add in whatever it is you choose. That's fine. I'm also going to add in some of my Hillshire Farm smoked turkey breasts. And I'll put 2 slices of that. Now what I'm also going to do is add in some of my feta. I love me some feta cheese. But you can add any type of cheese you choose. But I love me some feta. And a little taste of my strawberry balsamic dressing. Okay, and there it is. Delicioso. So if you want more wonderful meal ideas, what you can actually eat for dinner, for lunch, for breakfast, okay, just let me know down below. I'll bring out those ideas for you. This is a simple, easy lunch, and all you have to do is drink some green tea and lemon juice with it, and you're good to go. Fast, quick, and easy. And like I said, this is a meal that you tweak to your own liking, but at least you got an idea of what to eat for lunch. Things that you can pack along on your journey to work. All right, you guys, so thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful quick and easy video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare videos, fashion hauls, family challenges, and more. So check that channel out. Also check down below in the description bar. You'll see some links to other items like the NUTRIBULLET full size and personal blender, as well as the metal straws and much more. All right, and until the next time, you guys, I will see you then. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.